In this quick Excel gains video, I will show you how to make a Super Bowl pool. So you want to start off by making sure you have a 10 by 10 grid for 100 boxes in total. And then you could pass this around the office and fill this up with names for anywhere between $1 to $10 to $20 a box. So once you have your names filled, you can draw numbers between 0 and 9 to put in the horizontal and vertical axis. So I'm going to use a combination of rand and rank formulas. So I write equals rand, space, then copy this formula down. And I'm going to paste this to values because it's a volatile formula. And if I don't do this, it'll keep changing the decimals. And then I'm going to use the rank formula. C3, comma, all the decimals, make it an absolute reference, close parens, -1. And this is an added step to do the -1 because otherwise it'll rank them 1 to 10, but I want to take 0 into account here. And copy this formula down. And do the same thing for the bucks. Rand formula, copy down, Control-Alt-V, paste as a value, equals rank, absolute reference, close parens, -1, and copy this down as well. And you might want to record this if you're in a high stakes competitive pool. And I'll copy these numbers, Control-Alt-V, copy these numbers for the horizontal axis, Control-Alt-V, click values, but also click transpose. And that is your Super Bowl pool for 2021. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.